Yes! Sterf! 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 Sterf in een gat! Zak in kak zo! Yes! Fuck you!
Had dat ook,
Oh, dat kan? Oké, nice.
Blijkbaar.
You can do it, Max.
Can I?
Yes, I believe. Just don't greed, and you'll be fine.
No!
He's getting knocked off the horse.
My horse. No!
You had to say
Oh,
something.
you're lucky.
No fucking way.
No! There's no way I'm not gonna do this. No!
He greeted.
Ennio behind you. Ennio. Oh! He almost got one shot.
You got hit by it too, dumbass.
Nice invade, get fucking.
Hello there.
Hey, buddy.
There's 3 of us, and one of you.
Yo, yeah. Doe het gewoon weer, doe het gewoon weer. Oh. Ik spring 2 keer van hetzelfde ding af. Holy shit. Ik spring, de eerste keer rol ik hier vanaf, dan haal je die jump niet. Vervolgens spring ik met mijn hoofd uit en dan haal ik het ook niet. Oh. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh man, what the fuck? It's so slow, bro. It takes so fucking long. I hate you, Morgan. I hate you, timing. I can't. The timing is just not there.
I feel like Morgan's probably the dancer of this game.
Yeah, he really is.
Where it's either he just, well, I can't say he clicks, but he just is on a different rhythm from every other boss.
Oh, Lux noises. New? Yeah, okay, later vessels.
They're like secret churches. Oh, that church of the turtle.
No,
Or something else.
no, it's something.
Boom, Rune Arc. Let's go.
No, McQueen.
My queen,
He's all That mist.
Godverdomme.
The little ledge after you beat Lorette is just covered in blood from people trying to jump down. It's just absolutely caked in blood.
No, 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 no! Nee, 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 please, sorry. Yes! Oh, fuck yes, fuck you, 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 fuck you. Remembrance of Horror, I'm a dick, ouwe. Fuck you, Horror pussy. Oh, yes. Give me this thing. I will cut my own. Fuck you. fucking commit fucking seppuku. Ik ga deze guy nog pinnen. I don't care. Ik heb het niet nodig, maar ik wil het ook hebben. Ah, kak! Hoe dan? Hoe moet deze? Oh! Oh, yes! Yes! Fuck you!
There's a chance.
There's a chance, Soes.
There's a chance. Soes.
But maidenless, no.
You will be forever maidenless, however you will have beaten Morgoth the Omen
How
King.
did I do this maidenless but not with the maiden? That's sad. No. I indeed upsetting. I thought it was the other attack. This one. No. I will not greed. No,
Will not greed.
I should have greeted.
You should have greeted. You should have greeted. If you die now, that'll be so fucking upsetting.
No, I should have. Oh my god.
Nice.
Yes!
Suck,
Yeah.
suck my dick, you fucking whore!
Leuk, come out.
Ik ben dood. Godverdomme dat heeft puntbos!